Okay, what we're working on is a 2010 Volkswagen Jetta Wolfberg edition. We're going to change out the oil pressure sensor, which we're going to be putting in a new one of these. So anyway, let's get into it. So what you want to do is locate your oil filter. Right below your oil filter, if you can kind of see right in there, that is your sensor. So first thing we want to do is we want to unhook it. There's a tab you got to pull back on, and when you pull back on that, it comes right off. What we're using today is a deep socket, 15/16. That's going to slide right over that. You got a nice fit on that. And let me grab my wrench here. I need both hands, so I'm going to just kind of set this over here. Alright, now that that's loose, go ahead and work the rest of it out by hand. I know it's hard to see down in there, but trust me, that's what we're doing, working that out by hand. A little bit of oil might come out while we're doing this, but no, actually no oil came out. So the hole is back in there. I don't know if you can see it. There it is. You can see it there at the top of the screen. There's a little hole there. That's right where we're going. Okay. Got that in. Roll that back. And we're going to just tighten it up. Don't ask me about foot pounds and all that stuff. I don't know. I tighten it till I'm satisfied. Okay. That's it. So you see the new one is in. And don't forget to rehook up your electrical connection. And that's it. Away you go. Thanks for watching.